So are you on your way to Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2 and you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, I'm going to show you ours, coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, taking a look at this 2-bedroom lock-off villa. So that means it has a studio and a 1-bedroom. I want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love visiting and staying at these beautiful, fantastic timeshare resorts, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get going. We're going to go in here and take a look at the 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2 here in Palm Desert, California. As we head in the entryway of this 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, we're going to take a look at the washer and dryer. Both high efficiency, definitely great to have. Washer and dryer, full laundry in your villa. Now we're going to move into the fairly large kitchen. Actually a pretty decent sized kitchen here. You do have a large bar area there with a couple of stools that face into the kitchen. Plenty of counter space, and of course your full set of appliances, dishwasher, range, oven, microwave, and a full-size refrigerator with an ice maker. Definitely have all that you need in here. You also have a full set of pots and pans, glassware, dinnerware, dishware, silverware for 6 people, as well as plenty of cooking utensils and a knife block in here as well. Definitely everything you need to cook up some great meals while you're staying here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2 in Palm Desert, California. As we now head into the living room and dining room area here, you do have a small table here on the side. Nice place to kind of store some things. Maybe you have some keys, maybe your phone, maybe your wallet as you come in and empty your pockets. This living room here actually is pretty good size. You do have a sofa that pulls out into a queen-size bed, as well as a couple of chairs there and a coffee table. And of course, you do have a large flat screen television, and another great thing, a Blu-ray player, and some additional hookups for HDMI devices and some exposed USB and electrical outlets there as well. Definitely pretty handy. If you have some things to plug in, if you have some things to charge, maybe you brought a Fire Stick, maybe a Chromecast, definitely should be pretty easy to hook up here. Now let's head over and just take a quick look at the dining room table here. Dining room table that does seat up to 6 people. Nice round table here in this kind of round dining room with great windows that let in a lot of light. Before we head in and take a look at the master bathroom and master bedroom of the 2-bedroom villa, I'm going to take you over and to take a look at the studio side of this full 2-bedroom lock-off villa. That's right, this is actually a lock-off villa. Locks off into a studio and a 1-bedroom. We were looking at the 1-bedroom side, and now we're taking a look at the studio. It does have a nice king-size bed in here. And over here as well, there is a small kind of sofa. I'm not really sure how it pulls out. It does pull out into some type of bed, but I'm not really sure how. Maybe it just pulls out into a small bed here like you can see in this video right now. It doesn't seem to fold out like your traditional sofa bed does, but definitely could sleep a small child on there, but probably not anybody else, unless somebody else can tell me how this folds out. If it folds out some different way that I didn't find, let me know down in the comments below. But like I said, a king-size bed in here, a couple of nightstands on each side, and they're kind of just built into the wall and the headboard. You do have reading lights on the wall on each side of the bed, as well as some additional exposed electrical outlets and USB ports. There is also a small desk/dining area over here, which up above it is a large flat screen television. I think this has actually kind of been set up to be a dining area, but it could also double as a desk. There is also a nice armoire in here and additional drawers for storage in here as well. And also, with most Marriott Vacation Club studio villas, this one does have a small kitchenette, coffee maker, toaster, additional coffee supplies, and a small refrigerator there, as well as dinnerware, silverware, and glassware for 2 people. Now let's take a look at the bathroom here on this guest bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off villa. Not too bad here. It does have a single vanity and a large mirror. Makeup/shaving mirror here as well. Plenty of towels and a really nice granite countertop. You also do have a tub with a shower in here as well. So a pretty good sized bathroom. Definitely nicely decorated in here. They've done some good renovations here fairly recently in this villa. Now jumping out to the small patio here in this lock-off side of the 2-bedroom villa. It is a pretty small patio, just 2 chairs and a very small patio table. Something else we noticed here, we were on the ground floor and it looked like we had a lot of kind of rubbish, some leaves. It looks like might need to sweep this before you want to go and hang out outside. And as I promised earlier, now we're going to head over and take a look at the master bedroom. Really nicely appointed master bedroom here. You do have a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, plenty of exposed electrical outlets and USB ports as well. Always want to point those out. Yeah, nice bedroom here. Definitely a pretty good size. This 2-bedroom villa has a lot of space. We were quite surprised with how much room there was to move around. Definitely would be a good place to stay for an entire week with even a fairly large family. There is also a set of drawers here, along with a large flat screen television hung up above on the wall. As we make our way towards the bathroom here from the master bedroom area, you will find a couple of closets across from each other. One, just a small utility closet, has your laundry basket and a vacuum cleaner. And the other one is home to the in-room safe, as well as some extra bedding. And just beyond these closets is also a really nice tub, as well as a large vanity with plenty of storage outside the main bathroom. Now let's head in and take a look at the master bathroom. This is a pretty sweet master bathroom. Plenty of room in here. You do, of course, have your toilet, and it does have a single vanity sink there with a very large mirror behind it there as well. And it does have a really nice walk-in shower. And before we head out and take a look at the patio area, I do want to show you the view that we had from the master bedroom here. Nice view out to the golf course. Okay, so I just came out through the master bedroom door here of this 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2 to take a look at the balcony. It's pretty noisy out here. I do apologize, they're coring the fairways. so tractors going by. But yeah, not too bad of a patio here. 4 chairs and a table, as well as a kind of a pool lounger chair out here as well. No ceiling fan, but there is an electrical outlet over there, so that is kind of cool. We do have a nice view of the greens here, the fairway here, of the golf course at Desert Springs. But yeah, a little bit of a disappointment here. We're kind of right near a pond behind me. Ducks and geese, I guess, like to come and kind of hang out on the patio here. And there is some duck droppings and a little bit smelly here too. So this, I'm not sure if we would want to hang out on the patio here, but I'm sure other ones around the property and second floors would probably be pretty good. You wouldn't have that problem too much. And of course, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps solve the YouTube algorithm. These are great videos. Push them out to more people looking to come to Marriott's Desert Springs Villas. And also, if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, have all kinds of them on this channel, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they're thinking you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And remember, until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.